Yo, what's up? It's Raju. I haven't made a lot of YouTube videos. Sorry about the music. I haven't made a lot of YouTube videos, but this one, I'm going to show you how to take part of your Xbox and fix your sync button. Well, I had a problem with my controller, as you can see. When I touch this little button, it doesn't sync at all. And I'm kind of getting pissed off and mad. So today I'm going to show you how to fix part of this Xbox. And alright, let's get started. All you need is a needle nose, the star T, whatever you want to call this thing, and a little wire cutter type plastic thing. And a thing from like another controller or any this plastic soft thing. All you need is that. Alright, let's get started. Pick up the memory card. Alright, you need some, like, I don't know, like, you need some to get through these stupid little holes. It's kind of stupid, but whatever. So, alright, let's get started. Flip the Xbox over. It should be really easy to take off. See, I just took off the first one. Yeah, I just put it back together. Alright, flip it over. It's really easy to take it off, but you gotta careful with it, because I'll show you after the video, after this thing. Well, first you gotta take a face first, or whatever you want to call this thing, like in the front back box. I got one side off, on the other side. Alright, I took that one off. The bottom one. No, it's the top one, my bad. Alright, for the bottom one. Alright, the other side. you gotta look for these little holes. It's kind of confusing, but it's actually easy to find these little holes there. Alright, 2 more to go. Alright, 1 more to go. Alright, I'm done with this. That's the bottom one. Alright, this one's kind of difficult, but I think it's kind of the easiest. But there's little holes right here. There's one right here, right here, right here, right here, right there, and one right there. Alright, all you have to do is push on it. You'll hear a little clip like that. I'll put the one back in. Alright, let's try to take the front off like this way, right where the thing is. There should be like 4 little things that just clip off. Just like that. Voila! You got it done. You turn it over. Well, you gotta take this little thing off right here. It's really easy. It just clips off to the inside. Alright, I got it all off, but you know what? It's not coming off. The Xbox should just fall on, and then... Alright, I got it. Alright. One side it should just come off automatically. You turn it around. There's 6 little holes. I highlighted them so you know which ones they are. On the white and the distant gray, or whatever you want to call that color. There's 6 of them. Oops, sorry. There should be one right here, one right there, one right here, one right here, one right. Sorry. Well, anyways, there's one right here and one right there. Let's take it off. The other screws also like the motherboard and take that whole thing out. But the 6 you're taking out should be like that big. But there should be a 6 of those. Hold on. One more. And when you flip it over, this one right here, this side, should just come off just like that, easy. Okay, put it on the side. Let me put these on the other side. Alright, don't lose those 6 little things. Alright. This right here, the DVD thing, to play the games and stuff like that, it should just come off just like that. Put on the side. You can see, sorry. Alright. This should, right here. You can unplug these DVD crap, whatever you want to call these. Play the game, put them aside. The thing that we're looking for, it's right here. Right here. We're gonna put super glue in it. We're gonna put this into it. So let's hold on, let's find that super glue. Alright, found it. It's really easy. I'm trying to find the little centerpiece or whatever. Alright, I got it. Alright, just like that. And then let me super glue it. Alright, when it's super glued, put, oh shit. Alright, when you have it, carefully put in the little square thing. Alright, well, let's just put another one in there, yeah. Wherever that went. Try to make like a perfect little square. Alright. I'm not having trouble. I got it. Perfect little square. If you want, you can super glue this or the thing in here. But I think what I just did is easier. So, alright, get it when you need it out. Put it in there. Alright, that thing, if it's bent, it should just go back right in place, just like that. Just hold it for a couple seconds, you know. Or if you want, you can super glue, maybe super glue, if you want it super glued. I super glued it. Just put your needle nose, hold it against it, and just hold it for like 5-10 seconds. You can blow on and make it go faster, but alright, well, you can do this, or you can do solder. Well, I think the solder might be a little bit easier because it'll hold it against the back or support it. But I like to solder, but I don't have it with me, so I'm just gonna super glue it. Alright, well, looks like we need more super glue. Alright, hold it for like 10-15 seconds again, and then I need some like tire or something, I don't know. If you want, just hold it for like 5 minutes, I guess, if you want to like stay perfect and not move. Alright, well, it seems to want to stay. But alright, let's see what happens when you put all the back together. So you can have it like this, or you can like just put it all back together, you know. But if it's like this, and if it doesn't work, it's a hacker. Take everything off and put it back together. I mean, you know what I'm saying? So just turn it on, see if it works. You can use a screwdriver or pretty much anything, but let's see if it works. Alright, it seems to be working. Let me try and control it. Alright. Seems to be going. Yep, it's going. Perfect. Alright. Things should be work just like that. Alright, so when you're done, just put it back together how you took it apart. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe or like this thing. Alright, bye.